Hello student, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the class 9 biology chapter 2nd fundamental unit of life part 4. We discuss in this video cell and their type. Type of cell. There are two type of cell. First is the prokaryotic cell and second is the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell further divide into two cells. First is the plant cell and second is the animal cell. We discuss about the plant cell and their organelles. You can see this diagram. This diagram is the plant cell. This diagram is the plant cell. The outer layer, which is made up by the cellulose, these are the cell wall, and in below side of the cell wall present a layer. This layer is a plasma membrane, and this membrane is the plasma membrane. And you can see here, this is the middle lamella. This is the middle lamella, and free ribosomes. There are some dot-like structure showing here. This is the free ribosomes, and this is the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two type of endoplasmic reticulum occur in cell. First is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and second is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this have ribosomes, so these are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can see this structure. This is the chloroplast. This is the main part of the plant cell, because the chloroplast involve the photosynthesis process. And this is the mitochondrion. This structure is the mitochondrion. Mitochondrion is the powerhouse of cell. And Golgi aperture. This is the Golgi aperture. This Golgi aperture involves the protein synthesis and form the head of a chromosome. This is the vacuole. In plant cell there are large vacuole. So this is the vacuole. This space-like structure is the vacuole, and chloroplast. This is also chloroplast. Microfilament, fiber-like structure there are present. This is the microfilament. Microtubules. This is the rod-like structure showing here inside of the cell wall. This is the microtubules. This is the microtubules, and this is the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. Jelly-like structure occur inside of the cell wall. These are the cytoplasm. So these are the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum. These are the endoplasmic reticulum. And we know about the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell have two nucleus. So this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and inside of nucleus there are present the nucleolus. There are present these are the nucleolus, and this is the pore-like structure occur in the nucleus. This is the nuclear pore, and also again you can see here these are the cell. So this is the structure or diagram of the plant plant cell. This is the diagram of plant cell. In this cell have large vacuole and have chloroplast and also have cell wall. Okay, and we discuss about the next about the animal cell. You can see here this diagram is the animal cell diagram. This is the Golgi aperture. This is the Golgi aperture. They are present in mid side. This is the Golgi aperture. Golgi aperture involved in the protein synthesis also. Mainly protein synthesis process complete by the ribosomes, but the Golgi aperture also involve the protein synthesis. This is the microvilli. This set is the microvilli. This jhalar-like structure is the microvilli, and also in this cell, like as animal cell, endoplasmic reticulum found. There are two type of endoplasmic reticulum. This is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Such endoplasmic reticulum not have ribosomes. These are the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the microtubules. You know about the microtubules in plant cell. This is the lysosome. Lysosome is the suicide bundle of cell. There are present. This is the lysosome. And this is the centrioles. This is the centriole. Centriole involve the division of cells, and these are the nucleus, and in center there are nucleolus. So these are the nucleolus, and this is also nuclear pore. And this structure, fiber-like structure showing here, this is the chromatin. Chromatin makes chromosomes, and chromosomes responsible for the characters. And this is the cytoplasm. Jelly-like structure occur inside the cell. This is the cytoplasm, and this is the total nucleus. This is nucleus, and this is the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. So this is the diagram of the animal cell. Difference between animal cell and plant cell. What is the difference? You can see here, in plant cell there are present cell wall. This is the cell wall, but in case of plant cell there are not present the cell wall. And you can see here, this is the chloroplast. Chloroplast not occur in the animal cell. They are found only plant cell. But Euglena have chloroplast. These are the exception. So the chloroplast present in plant cell, and in animal cell not present chloroplast, and cell wall present in plant cell, and in animal cell wall are not present, is not present. And again the vacuole, there are large vacuole in plant cell, and in animal cell occur small vacuole, and in centrioles occur in animal cells. So this is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. And we discuss about the cell in this video. Once again, there are two type of cell occur in earth. First is the prokaryotic cell. Blue-green algae and bacterial cell form the prokaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell divide into two cells, are plant cell and animal cell. You can see this is the plant cell and this is the animal cell. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this button.